Alright, so in this video we learn again how to another type of copying that you will need when modeling or drawing. So if you look at this, if I right click this now, you will see what is called, you see this is a plain copy, or this is the cut. You know what cut is if you are using the system before. Cutting means you totally expunge what you are copying and you control paste somewhere else. So when you cut, you remove, then you can come here and paste. Alright, now that's that. Another type of copying I want to teach you quickly is, okay, now this is a plain copy, and there's what is called copy with base point. Control Shift plus C, that's the short code. Of course, the short code for cut is Control X across all Windows platform. Now, copy with base point is a type of copying that you may also need while modeling. Please take notes. Now, I've taught you copy with selection, and in copy with selection, you copy on the same page, implying that I can copy something. I can choose where I want to pick. I can in fact pick somewhere entirely different, and so I don't have to pick anywhere on the drawing. I can pick somewhere entirely different and move it around. All right, now copy with base point is a type of copying that can work with different AutoCAD platform. Take for example, I have a new platform. I have a new AutoCAD. Let me just open an existing sheet I have here. Let me look for. Okay, let me just use this. Let me use this. All right. So I'm opening a new sheet, one of my existing pages now. Now take for example, I want to copy something like this. Let's say I want to copy this stage. I want to copy it from here, and I want to paste it. I want it to be. I want to select it from the middle, for example, and copy it to somewhere else here. Let me see. I don't know if that's a good explanation. Okay, let me use this then. So let's say I want to copy this circle here. And that's a tool that's called Regenerate. You just learned that for free. In case you are faced with something like that, when a circle is starting to look like a polygon, just press Regenerate, RE, enter, so it will come back to its normal form. Now let's say I want to move this to another page. So if I copy it normally, now see, let me copy it normally. I'm going to try to paste, which is Ctrl V. Now you will notice that this center point here, the AutoCAD decide to choose my center points of copying it. So if I want to move this perfectly, let's say I want to paste it to the middle of this place now. You see, I'm having to move it around without getting the exact middle because AutoCAD did not pick the circle for me from the middle. How we get that now? So but if I want AutoCAD to pick my selection from the middle, then I use the copy with base point tool. So when I pick it, I'm going to right click, then I'll pick copy with base point. Then AutoCAD tells me specify base point, so I'm going to pick the middle. So now when I press my Ctrl V, you can see that nice at the middle. So easily I can just, paste it here, and I will know that it's a perfect middle where I want it to be. So that is how copy with base point works. Or I can also do right click, copy with base point. I can choose from here, for example. So when I paste, you can see now that it's picking from the edge. So I can paste here. Now you can, if you want to do this on the same page, you can use copy selection for that easily. I can just decide where I'm picking from with copy selection without any stress. But if I want to move this to another page entirely, and I want to make it exact and on point, so I'm going to click this. I'll click copy with base point. I'll click the middle. Then I'll come to another drawing. I can come here and press Ctrl V, and it's already picking it from the middle. So easily I can just paste it. So if I choose to now move it around, by my choice, I can now do something like this without stress. So that is how to use the copy with base point. Copy with base point helps you to determine where the point at which AutoCAD is picking your model or your component or whatever it is you are copying, as the case may be. You will need it. You may not know when or why you need it now, but I'll tell you eventually you will need it. Thank you. So that is how to use the copy with base point.